Hey you guys, if you all like to see how I got this bomb, soft, defined, moisturized twist out using Rapa Beauty Essentials natural hair butter, then just keep watching my video. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'll be using for this twist out. So I'm using this Dominican Curly Calendula hair tea that I mixed up and put in this spray bottle. And I also be using this natural hair butter by Rapa Beauty Essentials. And this is everything that I use for my wash day. I'm going to show you again in a few minutes. But this is my hair. It is freshly cleaned and deep conditioned. It looks really good and very healthy, very shiny. And you know, I love the way my hair look. This is the shampoo and conditioner that I use. It's the Love Beauty Implanted Micellar Water shampoo and matching conditioner. And I also use this Fructis 1 minute hair mask. It's the papaya one. And I also use the Ayurvedic multi-purpose hair oil by Dominican Curly. And again, look at my curls. They're popping per usual without any products. So since I'm doing a twist out, the first thing I'm going to do is separate this back section of my hair, which you see me doing right here. And now the first thing I'm going to do is take this Calendula hair tea by Dominican Curly and spray it onto my hair. I didn't show you in this clip, but this did. I don't know if I want to say it gave my hair moisture. It gave my hair a lot of benefits, I will say. After I applied it, my hair was very shiny and defined. But as you see, I'm brushing it through. And the product I'm actually going to use is this Shea Butter, this Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter conditioner. Originally, I just applied the hair butter by Rapa Beauty right on my hair, and it didn't work. I've realized I needed a moisturizer, so that's why you see me using that now. And now I'm going in with the Rapa Beauty whipped hair butter. I hope I'm saying the name of her company correct. I hope I am. But as you see, I'm working that in now. And it's a really great sealant because it's literally like a butter. It's not like a creamy butter. It's like a real hair butter that seals your moisture in. So yeah, it was a very excellent sealant, I would say that. And as you see right here, as I'm twisting my hair, I took my fine tooth comb and comb my ends out to make sure it was smooth. And once I get to the end, I add a little extra product and twirl the ends, and it works very well for me. I used to only use perm rods when I had long hair, but you know, since my hair is short and healthy now, that the ends stay twisted, I don't gotta do that no more. But yeah, I am doing the whole process on this side again, starting off with water and detangling, and then I'm going to go right into the same process with the Dominican Curly Shea Moisture Conditioner and Rapa Beauty whipped hair butter. I'm gonna let y'all see. I'm gonna stop talking. I know I just said I was going to stop talking, but this is what I meant. Like, it gave my hair a lot of shine, a lot of definition. So maybe it did moisturize my hair. But the Calendula hair tea has organic calendula flowers, organic horsetail, organic moringa leaf, organic marshmallow leaf, organic, I cannot say this, ashwagandha root. So it has moisturizing products. Like, I know for a fact marshmallow leaf is very moisturizing, so maybe that's why it gives my hair a lot of shine and definition. And like while doing my hair, I realized all the benefits the hair tea had in it. So as you see, I'm making sure I got all of my hair, my roots, my ends, and everything in between, because it's a really good hair tea. So I really don't have much info on the Rapa natural hair butter or whipped hair butter. So based off what she sent me, the owner, it's made out of mango butter, shea butter, and kapuaku butter. I googled kapuaku butter and it has a lot of good benefits to it. And we all know that shea butter has amazing benefits to it when it comes to our hair. And I have heard good things about mango butters. So yeah, maybe that's why it's such a really good sealant. It's not moisturizing on its own, if that makes sense, but it does add moisture to a product. That's why I am using the Shea Moisture conditioner, because this hair butter does add moisture. It just doesn't have moisture on its own, and I really do hope that makes sense. But like I said, it is an excellent sealant. This twist out is a little old. I more recently did a twist out and I used this same hair butter on that twist out. You'll be seeing that soon. But it was good on that twist out as well, and my hair came out so soft and defined and moisturized both times. So it's a win for me. I really do like it. Every time I do a twist out, I will be using this butter. So if you're watching this and you're listening, I definitely recommend it for that 100%. I liked it. I really did enjoy it. Okay, you guys, so this is all my twists once I'm done. Fun fact, it's not really fun for me, but my hands started cramping once I got to those last two twists right there in the middle that you just saw me do. So the rest of my twists look a little drier. It's because they are. I took a nap once my hands started cramping. I took a little break. So yeah, but this is my semi-wet twist. I had 9 twists in all, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. 2 in the back, 2 on each side, and 3 on top. This is my hair the next morning. I'm going in with the Ayurvedic multi-purpose hair oil by Dominican Curly, and using that to coat my hands to make sure I don't get any frizz when I separate. And here is me separating. As you see, I have beautiful definition. My definition looks really good. My hair looks soft, and it is soft. So this is how I separate my hair. I separate in medium to small pieces, and I twirl the ends around my fingers, especially since my ends are still colored. My ends are still bleached. I haven't fully cut those off yet, so my ends can get frizzy. So it's actually very important for me to twist it around my finger. I think it does something, to me it does something. But yeah, this is how I'm separating. As you see, it's separating very easily, very naturally, and that's because my hair is super moisturized and super soft. Yeah, and I'm just gonna be quiet and kind of let you see me do the rest. And I do want to mention, to prepare for this twist out, I actually did trim about 1 inch or so of hair off, maybe half an inch to 1 inch of hair off before I actually did this twist out. So I think that's also why I had such beautiful definition, because I had kind of a fresh trim. Probably could have took more off, obviously, but I just wanted to let y'all know that. So this is my hair completely taken down, unraveled, separated, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it already looks good just from taking it down. Like, the definition is popping. But I kind of got to fix my shape and kind of get rid of some of these parts. So I'm going in with my wide tooth comb to do just that. And I'm also going to just be pulling my hair and shaping it with my fingers and hands as well, and you will see how that comes together and how I do it. So once I get my hair kind of where I want it, I'm going to go in with my toothbrush and some gel and lay my edges. Going to show you how I do that. I don't know if I kept the footage in, but I also lay my edges on the other side, which you may or may not see. I don't know. And then this is, you know, kind of the last view or the final product. But this right here, this is the final product. This is my hair. It looks so good. It looks so soft. It's so defined, y'all. Like, oh my God. This twist out looks so good. I'm like so impressed on the definition, and my hair just looks so soft, like, period. So moisturized, soft, and defined. But if you all liked and enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.